y'all. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm so happy right now, y'all. But before we get into this video, if you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So, starting the vlog out, y'all. I'm so happy right now because I just got done completing all coursework material and study guides. It was 7 units, 13 modules, and I completed all the readings, the videos, the articles, all that stuff. I started this course June 2nd. They always give me a month to complete each course, but I normally try to complete it within 2.5, max 3 weeks. Y'all know it's summer. Kids been out of school. I knew it was gonna slow me down, so I have not been able to complete 2 courses for this month. But they did say that this is a long course and it normally takes students about 7 weeks to complete. So I actually feel good still. Anyways, let's get into the specs. So as you can see, I turned this in, I believe, Wednesday. And it got returned to me and I passed it on the 21st. So I think I turned it in on the 19th, which was Juneteenth. And it got evaluated and passed on the 21st. This next course I turned in on the 21st, and it say it'll be evaluated by the 24th, which I'm hoping it'll be evaluated either by today or tomorrow. This second task, which is my third paper I have to do, is going to be a reflection on my first teaching session that I have to do Tuesday. Then, as you can see right here, for assessments, I have not taken my assessment yet, which is right here, objective assessment. But I'm going to study first. Then I'm going to take my pre-assessment, which lets me know where I'm at and if I'm ready to take my objective assessment. So that's where I'm at. Also, y'all, I have just created a wish list on Amazon. So I'm going to link that down below. It's for school and just other necessities I need, like pens, paper, and, you know, all the stuff like that and whatever else I need. So if you guys want to check it out and buy me something, it'll ship it right to my address. That would be awesome. I will leave the link in the description box for you guys to check it out.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way,
I look a hot mess, y'all, but don't get it stuck.
it's all in the sky, ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me.
What's up, y'all? It is the next day. I just got done taking my test and I passed it. I was so nervous, y'all. I did not think I was gonna pass. I passed it. Let's look at my coaching report to see how I did. I was so nervous. I really did not think I was gonna pass. Okay. Hey y'all, so I just got done doing my first teaching session. Whew. And as you can see, my energy is high, it's good. I feel great, y'all. It went really well. I was nervous at first, but it went really well. I had a student with dyslexia that I had to teach. And I feel like I did a great job teaching her. I had to use visuals and, you know, make accommodations for her to make sure that everything was good. I got everyone engaged and just ready to learn. Like, I feel like I did so great. They're gonna send me the recording of my teaching in about 24 to 48 hours. So I cannot wait to see it. But I feel like I did so good, y'all. Like, I'm so confident. They did ask me what I feel like I would have done different. I said probably have real life objects for examples. But I feel like me using my whiteboard did the job. The child with dyslexia was engaged. She was answering questions. And, you know, I'm so happy. Like, I really did good. And so now I have to go home and do a third paper, which is a reflection. And they basically just want to know, like, did my accommodations work, did it not, and what I would do different in my future classroom. So yeah, y'all, I just had to come and tell y'all the good news. Like, I'm so happy right now.
Hello, my name is
Oh, that's super loud now.
And today I'm going to be teaching you guys a lesson on geometry.
In your mouth.
So, can anyone...
Oh, wow, I love your color shirt.
Don't need napkin shit.
Thank you. Thank
Later
you.
on a second.
So, what do you guys think about when you hear me say geometry?
Mom, don't give her no more pizza.
Will.
Geometry. Isn't that about
She don't...
That's Carla.
I will say...
I mean...
Split. You can go either way.
Okay.
You can either walk straight ahead and turn to the right and it's a boardwalk, or you can just turn right there just past the picnic table. Either way.
Okay. And we'll see it. We'll just see it.
Yeah, and it just goes to your left when you make that right.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Oh, it said a manufacturing company during the Civil War. Cotton mills produced. Okay. We getting closer. It's just hard, like. How deep is this jump? Oh, cause certain parts look deeper than others. Hey y'all, so it's my birthday. I'm 28 years old, and y'all know I go see Chris Brown next week. We're at the waterfall, but we struggling. Right, to get to the waterfall, whole time it's still like. You right, hey, y'all. Now we done came an easier way to get closer to the waterfall. Wow. I'm mad. We didn't come this way the first time. Happy 28th birthday to me. Bye, Waterfall. Hope to see you again.
Your cupcakes look pink and blue.
Yes, my favorite color.
And Mommy, that's my favorite color too.
Thanks, kids. Happy birthday! All right, cut the lights out.
Happy birthday.
Do a picture.
2, 3.
Happy birthday
me.
to you.
Unicorn. My favorite color. But it's strawberry.
My favorite color was purple.
No.
She like me now.
That's
Pink and blue.
Stacey's favorite color.
How you know, Cece?
Who?
I like pink and blue. What?
Lily just want to be like
I like
me.
red, orange, yellow, and green.
All right, who all eating a slice right now?
You didn't open it. Open your
Facial mask. I have a
Bye-bye.
facial mask.
Baba, sucker.
I'm gonna use this. I might use this tonight.
What if she's the bag?
Nutty
Ooh,
Zoo.
these are cute.
Nutty Zoo.
Who picked these out?
Mommy.
Look, I have taste.
Screams Coral.
You know my style.
That's a man.
These are so big.
That's the way they fit.
They're cute though.
Elton John has.
They're cute.
That's like something like
Yeah, sit down.
It is.
Still pull out your
Mine
shoes,
is
oversized shoes.
Stop.
Oversized sneakers.
I
Yeah,
have
because
some
you always need eyelash glue.
eyelash glue. Yes, always need that. Oh, this is cute. A bucket hat.
What you got? Look, see? Bucket with
Oh, yeah,
the
that's
Nutty Noon. Nutty Noon. Nutty
It's cute. Who picked this out? I'm shocked. Oh, she must have got this to go with this.
I don't know. I wasn't with her.
It's giving beach. Yeah,
Where you going?
that would have been cute for the cruise.
Yeah, you like that?
Oh, look at my hair.
Your mommy look y'all pink.
Pink. This is cute. What is
Yeah,
this?
this is the pink part.
She got pink. What?
Daddy.
Oh, it's a dress.
Watch your mom open up a
Oh,
big
this is
one.
cute.
Nutty
And it's
Noon.
long. A
Nutty
mini dress.
Noon.
Cute.
Nutty Noon.
Wanna keep it right there?
Yeah.
Come here.
Stretchy material.
Nutty.
Let me see.
Come on, Daddy.
Autumn spice. Oh, this is eyeshadow.
Give some.
Yeah, because I thought you said you didn't have one.
Nutty.
I do, but this is cute. I needed some new ones. I can't open it.
Rare.
Oh, the new comb. Yes, this is cute. I need a comb
One.
too. I like this tie-dye print. Oh, this is cute. What is
I
this?
can see
A mirror.
Mary Megaland
The pocket
and
Shake
above
it
the
up.
clouds. My queen above the clouds.
You said, can you do what?
Mary Megaland at the background.
Oh, this is. Wait, I can't show the address. Wow. Oh, this is cute. You got a butterfly.
I'm going above the clouds into Nutty
Go,
Noon.
get him. Come here.
Stop.
Set the sight. Come here.
I wanted one with the YouTube on it, but this is cute. It's an NFC tag. Let me see if it works. It works.
Yes, they do. Yeah.
Yup, it worked.
Your feet
It went
stink.
straight to me.
Yup, you gotta hold it for like 10 seconds. I got an NFC tag, so basically you put it on there like a, like you tap,
Stop it!
and it goes straight to my YouTube channel. Oh, my battery finna die.
Stop putting your feet on me!
Thank you guys. I appreciate it.
Yeah, your daddy's gone. Bruh. Your daddy's gone. Ow. Get out. No.
Cute, it's your birthday.
Get off of there.
Oh, I got some money.
Get out. Your daddy
Feel
and
good.
sister.
Your
Your daddy and sister.
Happy birthday,
baby
Rosie.
are
Happy birthday,
gone.
love, Dad. Enjoy. Love you so much, mommy.
Y'all
Thank
toe.
you. You're welcome.
Y'all toe.
I'm officially 28.
Your toe. Your toe.
By the time I turn 30,
Yeah, what you gonna do for your 30th?
I want to do a trip.
No
I want to do
trip.
a trip for my 30th. I don't want no party.
No trip.
You heard me, Mom? I don't want no party. I want to do a trip for my 30th birthday.
Friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me.